Today, I'm gonna tell you a story about a brave kid named Alex. Alex was the new kid at school. You know how it is, right? New faces, new teachers, and of course, the playground. But there was this one kid, Jordan, who was known to be a bit of a bully. Jordan loved to push people around and see how they'd react. One day, Alex saw Jordan picking on another student. Alex watched closely, noticing how Jordan chose his targets. He always went for those who seemed scared or unsure of themselves. Alex thought, if I stay confident and stand my ground, maybe Jordan will leave me alone. The next day, Jordan tried to mess with Alex. But Alex stood tall, looked Jordan in the eyes, and said firmly, "Hey, Jordan, that's not cool. Leave us alone." Jordan was surprised. He wasn't used to someone standing up to him. Alex's confidence threw him off and he backed down. The other kids saw this and started to feel more confident too. From that day on, Jordan didn't bother Alex or the other kids as much. By standing up and showing confidence, Alex helped change the playground dynamics. Remember, kids, bullies often back down when they see you're not afraid. Always be confident and, if needed, ask an adult for help. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome stories. Bye for now.